Welcome, family. Welcome, new family members. Today we're going to make a copycat ranch suddenly salad. I found the recipe on Catherine's Plates channel. On her website is the recipe. So I will link that in the description. I'm going to try this. Come join me. Okay, I hope you can hear me over the air conditioner because I'm not going to turn it off today. It's just too hot in this house. So first thing I'm going to do is, like I always do, I'm going to do some changes. But I cut up a little bit of bacon and I'm going to cut it up into tiny pieces and I'm going to fry that up first here. And I've got my water on to boil. I've got my frozen peas and shredded carrots. I'm also going to add some green onions. I also have a package of ranch dressing mix. So we're just going to fry up this bacon so I can use that. My water's boiling, so I'm adding 12 ounces of the small shells. We're going to cook that. I'm going to turn the timer on so I remember with my go 8 minutes on that. Okay. Yeah, I'm still on vacation, so that feels good. Got a lot done. I got training coming up here in August quite a few times, so a lot of trainings in the summertime and a lot of trainings all the time. But one of them we're going to be doing is interest testing, which I already took the testing when I started work there back in 2015. So I don't have to take the test again. But I was shocked. I was really shocked at how the results of the test, I looked on it again and it's like, oh my goodness, how do they know me? How do they know my personality? It's pretty amazing. It's called the Clifton Strengths Test. And I was shocked. I took it in 2015, but my top 5, first one is discipline. I enjoy routine and structure. Your world is best described by the order you create, which is definitely me. I'm so organized, it's ridiculous. I'm a learner. I have a desire to learn and to want to continually improve. The process of learning rather than the outcome excites me. Yep. Intellection. You are characterized by your intellectual activity. You are introspective and appreciate intellectual discussions. Yes. Consistency. Yes, definitely. You are keenly aware of the need to treat people the same. You crave stable routines and clear rules and procedures that everyone can follow. An achiever. You work hard and possess a great deal of stamina. You take immense satisfaction in being busy. Yeah, stay busy and serve others, and productive. Definitely me. I'm the kind of person that I have to get my work done by the end of the day. Sometimes it's not possible, and I get that, and I'm okay with that, but most of the time, I work very hard to get it all done. When I'm given something, work to do, I do it, and I organize, and it also stated somewhere in there, too, that I check and double check, which, yeah, sometimes I check 4 times to make sure I got it right. I'm just, I don't know. I've always been like that. I don't want to burn this, so I have to constantly be moving it here. I want it done just a little bit more, because this is that really good bacon that I get at the meat market. I just buy the bacon ends, because I don't like all that fat on my bacon. So I really get more for my money that way. I've been doing that for years, buying bacon ends, even before I found the meat market. Used to be able to buy bacon ends just about anywhere, but I don't know if you can anymore. I haven't looked lately because I've been buying them at the meat market. I'm saying that this is done because it's really hot and it'll still continue to cook a little bit. So I'm going to put that on a plate. And I am going to put some paper towel over that. Just doesn't have much fat, but you know, get rid as much as you can, you know. Okay, I gotta check the noodles. Now you really have to check out Catherine's Plates channel. I tell you, she's like, I've been watching her channel for years and years, even before I became a content creator. She was one of the people that gave me the courage to do it, to get a channel. But yeah, I call her the Queen of Casseroles. Okay, so now next I'm going to check my noodles here, which I think they got a couple more minutes to go. Yeah, we got a couple more minutes to go here on the noodles. Just don't want them too done. So we will be right back. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is make the sauce. I like to do it separately. And I'm not following directions that she put because my husband likes a lot of creaminess to it. So I'm just going at what I usually do here. Like I said, I will put the instructions. I'm also going to add a shot of bacon ranch and regular ranch. Okay, put these away. I guess even though this is a copycat recipe, it's still my version. Okay, I'm going to put this ranch mix in it. If I can find my scissors, we'll be good. Put a packet of ranch dressing mix in there. Mix that around and get that. Had some lumps in it, so let's get those out of there. Yeah. I'm going to add just a little bit of milk because I might want to add more when it's done, just so that I know it's at the consistency that my husband likes. He loved that taco bake, I tell you. He ate it for what, 3 days? 2 days? 3 days? Yeah. So that will be on my list, but sometimes he'll like something and then while down the road, nope, not anymore. Okay, we got that done. So now let's put this together. Let's put the noodles in there, which I drained. Okay, I want to put the bacon in there. All right, now I'm going to put some peas in there. They're still frozen, but that's no problem. You know what? I'm just going with, I'm not going to freeze a few pea pods or a few peas. I'm putting the onions in there. And we're going to actually have brats on the grill with this tomorrow. So I wanted to make this today so that it could really, you know, the flavors melt together all night. I'm going to put some shredded carrot in here. That's good. Yeah, these are the brats my husband picked out. They're Philly cheesesteak brats. They had so many different flavors. Okay, I'm going to give this a stir here. Whoops. That looks good, right? Okay, now I'm going to put this in here. And we will see if it's good and creamy. Might have to add some milk. Looks good. But yeah, I gotta add just a little bit more milk. And I'm also gonna get I don't want anything to go to waste, so making sure I get every drop of this. See, look at that. I got like at least 3 tablespoons out of there. Okay, that looks really good. Yes. I'm going to put this in the fridge for a while, and then we will taste it. update on my garden. My marigolds are starting to bloom. I got some flowers over here starting to bloom. And all these are getting their, see, they're getting their, they're gonna blossom. They're getting their buds on them. These are already in bloom. I still have, way back there, still have my tiger lilies that are blooming. These are gonna get blossoms here. See these, see, they're yellow. These are blooming. I just love these. My pink ones. I don't know what they are, but they're just beautiful. Yep, look at that. I had a generous gift from God, and they were the same price as they were 3 years ago, so we got our load of rocks. These are blooming. I don't know what they are. They're very, very cute. My girlfriend sent me a whole bunch of them. Finally, the water is, he's pumped out the water. He sealed that seam again. So he'll be starting to put the rocks in. Yeah, look at this. It's gonna start opening soon here. Fishies are doing good. They're happy, happy. They like going back and forth now. It's they just kind of like jump over that rock, the middle there. They just kind of jump it. The bigger fish, they're doing good. They're happy. Here's a close-up of those scarlet runner beans, the blossoms. The bees and the hummingbirds, just love it so much. And it just climbs. Just climb and climb, climb. Thanks for joining me today for Copycat Ranch Suddenly Salad. I saw the video from Catherine's Plate. She had the recipe on her website. Check it out. I'll put it in the description. I changed it a little bit, my version. But let's dig in here. Here you go. Mmm. I'm glad I added the bacon ranch because it really pops the flavor. Mmm. Yum, yum. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Thanks for supporting me in this journey. And we'll see you next time for something different. Remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.